Meditation is Brahmastra. Meditation is Brahmastra. And only through meditation we can energize the suitable body infinitely, and by preparing preparing the body we can be self-effecting. When your attention is focused only on the focal point of the command, then the third eye of Shiva, that is your third eye, opens in the form of the divine vision. You become Trikaldarshi, whom Java calls Siddhi, is hypnosis. When our focus is focused only on the obedience and determination, then a infinity spiritual forces is created in us. The life energy of anyone who comes in our command area, and the resolution of the next one gets started. Inspiring different remind point is of no importance, but at the same time, when you meditate on the obedience in the 33 crore deity, the deity who the Brahmastra focus. This meditation is very simple. Chetna Pragat Prapti Dhyan. But the same time, when the immediate obedience in the 33 crore deities, in the deities whom the Brahmastra focus on the meditation, when the same deities the focus to give you various powers and achievements in the form of blessing and power of the world. Anahata is strong among women, but meditation will only be done by focusing obedience. There is no Kundalani in woman. Kundalani is represented by the uterus, and the sex organ is in the upper core of the uterus. Meditation is the ultimate point for being the root of the universe, nail above the Vasnamaya log in the surface of the uplifting world. The global body, the mind body, the suitable bodied souls of the Atlok have the power to attain prosperity and knowledge at will. They can do you work of public interest and welfare by taking part in human womb. Once the bond of their relationship is cut. By the way, man's vagina does not get more than 7 times according to the continuous bonding, but after going into the downfall, human being can come to the blind spot of the vagina only after consuming vaginal liquor according to the rules. Who has to face the painful agony of millions of years? There is never happens at the bottom of the mind, only the marriage joy is the matter of the bottom of the soul, and meditation is Brahmastra of the beginning. Self-realization is meditation. Practice. There are 2 forms of meditation: Brahm Rishi, Maharishi, Badri Vishal, Yogi Shri. Chetna Pragat Prapti Dhyan Yog, Vedic history, inner energizing, mantra chanting meditation, Dhyan Yog, CP PhD achieve meditation. Context. This meditation is a very simple meditation. Thank you all souls. Prem Shahid. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.